So TPI Enterprises is a company that was founded in 2004. It's based in Melbourne, and it obtains its raw material globally, which is opium poppies, extracts the narcotic raw material from the opium poppies and exports globally. So the market's peculiar in a sense that 90% of the global production only services about 14 to 15% of the world's population. So we see a lot of growth in that market. And it's a fact that most people don't know is 50% of the illicit narcotics comes out of Australia. Raw material supply has been a critical issue for TPI over the years. Originally you could only source poppies from Tasmania. We've spent the last 3 years ensuring we could get poppies from South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales, and now from the Northern Hemisphere. So that's been a key part of our business. In terms of our expansion plans, we've worked very hard on getting an API capability in Europe, which is part of our Sterling announcement, but also our Portugal site. Yeah, look, we're well capitalised. We've addressed some of the issues with our balance sheet, so we'll be zero debt. We'll have paid for all of our inventory, and it gives us enough runway to ensure we deliver on our targets. We raised $44 million, so it's reduced our debt from approximately 25 down to zero. It enables us to fund our growth plans, which is moving not just from a narcotic raw material producer, but into value addition in Europe as an active pharmaceutical ingredient producer. Well, key achievements for 2016 really serviced both sides of the business. On the supply side, it was really about diversifying that risk and opening up new areas. On the sales side, it was really looking to move into the value addition side of the business. So again, the Sterling announcement in the UK gives us access to a whole new market. And obviously Portugal licensing gives us access to do that ourselves in-house. So they were really the key achievements for 2016. The key investment case for TPI is really our novel technology, which means we can produce narcotic raw material cheaper than anyone globally. So we look to roll that out and expand and service what we see as a very strong growing market. We see ourselves moving from not just NRM but also into active pharmaceutical ingredients. We've initially got a presence now in Europe. Ultimately, we'll look to service also the US market. We've given some targets to the market of producing 200 tonnes by 2021, 100 tonnes by 2019, and we're on track to deliver that.